Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh my god, I wish you the health, the success, and the love for you, for your family, and for your friends. I wish you the best of your life and wish you is gonna be more better than the last year 2018. With the new 2019 is gonna be so much better. So I gonna show you what I got for Christmas. Yeah, so I'm so happy to show you what I got. And oh, this makeup is through as well. What do you think about that? This lipstick is totally gorgeous. The eyes is totally beautiful. This one I have the inspiration with James Charles. Trust no bitch. No, by Makeup by Eileen, I think so. Yeah, because they have a lot of like people say like James Charles just copy like Alina. And me, this is inspiration about Alina. I can show you a picture right there. It's kind of in the same vibe, we can say, like winter like makeup, but I totally like it. What do you think about that? I didn't put it like snow freckles. No, snow freckle, we don't say that. Freckle. So I didn't put it snowflakes on my eyes because I don't know, it's not the vibe I'm looking for. But totally this one is the inspiration by Makeup by Alina. And if you're watching this video, hi girl, what's up? And James Charles, at least do it credit about your inspiration, because all makeup artists have inspiration about something. And if you don't credit like what's good, why you think like you're God? Bitch, sit down. No one are the god here. So let's continue about this. I really love this makeup. What do you think about that? And the necklace, you see, it's Hmoschino. This one I use it like a choker, but I use it like a necklace right now. And this is totally beautiful. You can see you can wear it like everything, just creation, like inspiration. And that's it, my new necklace. So first of all, I a fan of beauty blender, and when I saw that, I'm just like, oh my god, I want it. And thank you for my family, for the people who I love, and everybody to give me all this gift, because I feel so like
priceless.
Yeah, thank you, priceless about all this stuff. And so let's start about this. This one is a sponge, but this one is the Morphe one. I didn't try it because I always stay with the beauty blender, but this one I like the shape, and I don't know, like, oh, it's so dirty, oh my god. So this one is the Morphe one. Everybody tell me like it's the best beauty blender ever, so let's try this, because this one you can cut it the contouring and you can blend it the other side. So this one can be great. It's totally beautiful, like a present gift. Next, oh yeah, this one I wear it so much. I don't wear it, I'd say it so everybody, oh, I want it, and my family just bought it because I don't know, I don't have time. I buy something else and then oops, I forget it too. Sometimes you buy it for yourself, like just for to make you happy as well. And my family just bought me the AirPod. I'm so happy because this one is being 1 year I wanted, but I didn't have time for bought it. And then you see, family first, man, because family know exactly what you like, what you want. And this one I have it already, and I'm so proud to have my earbuds. Now I'm gonna listen my music without all the cable, like, so fuck it out. We are at 2019, nothing of that. The technology coming, going, grow up more faster. So this one is pretty nice. So on the company, oh my god, the company as well where I work and give me some gift. Yes girl, yes. So YOU.BETTER, they just gave me this one, oh my god, this one I use it for all client, and all client buy it because it's the first time they make it a highlighted like compact. And then this one is the highlighter powder, and this is what it looks like from YOU.BETTER. And I have a brush with that. This brush is totally limited edition. This is a limited edition, they don't have it like until Christmas. But look, this one is the pen. The brush is so soft, and when I clean it, the hair is not fall out. It's very sensitive brush. I really like it. And this one, they have all sparkle around of the brush, so that's what I like it. You see this one? Thank you so much, YOU.BETTER. And this one, what I like it is so pretty. Look how pretty it is, the highlighter. Oh my god. And it's so pigmented, it gives you like beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. Yes. And YOU.BETTER, they don't make it a lot of highlighter. Maybe they should, like, because this one, it was the best seller of the collection. And look how pretty it is. Oh my god. I think this one's gonna use it after this one. This one is the wet set from Kylie Cosmetic. Perfect. Second of all, oh yeah, me, I'm a huge fan from lashes. You see this one, I have the Hmoschino, totally pretty. And then someone just gave me the Jade from Ura Beauty. The Jade is very dramatic 3D. Perfect. And then I have this one. This is totally, I use it for a sample and then I just have it the full size. And this one is the Black Rose Cream Mask Instant Young Smoothing and Plumping Brightness. So that is the Sisley one. This one is the mask. Oh my god, it's incredible, beautiful, like effect. Oh my god, I'm dying for trying again. This one is from Sisley. You see, so cute with the like this. Oh my god, this one is the Sisley. We call it the Black Rose Mask. Oh my god, you have to try this one. I tell you, with the double tinture like a primer, it's a bomb. This one is gonna be my mask. Oh my god, it's gonna be gorgeous. Your skin is gonna be plump. It's gonna be more smooth. It's gonna be more brightness. Trust me, just go in the counter from Sisley. Just have it a little bit of simple. They always have simple for you. Perfect. Second of all, whatever. Next, I bought it for myself. Because you have to treat yourself like a queen, like a king, like whatever you want. Make you happy as well. So I bought it, like, I like the eyebrow. You can see. I like to do my eyebrows and everything like that. And when they have the combo of benefit, this one, $79, and it's like value for $160. It's totally worth it. Let's open this like this. Oh la 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 la. This one is the shade, I think, 5. Ooh, where is it, the shade? Okay, yeah, it's right here, 5. And you see they have like 3 full size, and they have the powder, they have the K-Brown, they have the gel eyeliner, and they have a brush. All this for $79 is totally worth it. And by the way, they came every years. Like, if you miss that, you can wait it until the next year. Oh, every year they put it this value, and it's totally worth it. $79 and the value is $160. It's very great. So next one, oh my god, sometimes I'm very like how we can say, like young, but not young, like we all young, like for the heart, for the physical and everything like that. And this one, someone just gave me this. I was so speechless because I was like expecting to have this one, but when I read it, I was like, girl, you know me as well. Like, high five, because I just gotta tell you, like, once a queen, always a queen. I'm like, girl, you got me with this. Like, and this one is like totally a Disney of the badass, we can say. So you can see it there. They have like for you can see all here, like so pretty. Oh my god. And they have the stud. This stud's just killing me. And when I open here, they say like, once a queen, always a queen. Like, what else? Like, this is me. And this one, you can write it everything here. Like, it's just like a book, you can write it, but it's totally beautiful. I really love it. Like, how can people have this? Think about me. And they have the small apple here for the white snow. Oh my god, this is totally gorgeous. And they came with like, we can say pencils. So they have this is metallic pencil, but 2-in-1, why not? This is so pretty, this is so cute. This is feel my younginess, we can say younginess. Yo, we can say younginess. My youth. Well, perfect. Oh my god, this present, I was so speechless because remember I was waiting for Hmoschino H&M or H&M Hmoschino, whatever, outside for having this bag, and I was so pissed off I don't have this bag. And then someone, the guy I love, for you my sweet peach.
Yes, Baba.
So he bought it for me. I don't know how he finded that, because everywhere it was sold out. Everywhere in the store I was like 3-4 star, nothing. And then when I came with that, I'm like, oh my god, I was so excited. But at least I'm like, I was not supposed expect to be like that size. So this one is the Hmoschino with H&M. This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Like, it's very so small, and oh my god, this is totally look at this cutie bag. Oh my god, and you can open like this, but totally my cell phone is not fit inside. It's just my wallet. I'm like, what's good? But totally maybe a decoration, or you can wear it like a necklace. How beautiful it is, this beautiful jacket. Oh mamma mia, I'm dying for that, seriously. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's like a bag, jacket bag, but the only it's like, what you can put it inside, for be honest, like. But this one I really so badly I waiting for that outside of the store for having this, and I didn't have it, and now you see, everything you wish is realized. Bitches. Not apperized, realized, bitch. And someone of my family who I love so much, they give me a Chanel. A Chanel. Oh, what is the Chanel? It's a beautiful, oh my god. The dust bag is feels so pretty, 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 pretty. And this one is, ooh, look, this wallet for your cards. This is so pretty. Look, this one here. Oh, la 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 la, mamma mia. And look at this one. This one is gonna be my wallet now, because I have it the Christian Louboutin, and now bye bye. Chanel's gonna come all over 2019 for the rest of the year. Oh my god, so pretty, this little bag. And for the end, did I finish? Yeah. And for the end, oh my god, my guy there, they just bought me another stuff. I was so surprised about that, because I feel it like this, it was over. Like this one, it was okay, because this one I really didn't want it. But when he surprised me about this, I just like fed up, like, I don't know, like I was so speechless. And this one, it's a clothes. I'm gonna show you right now. So this one came from Simon's. You know what is Simon's? It's one of my favorite store clothes ever. Simon's, Zara, and Sandro. Those one are my favorite store for clothes. And this one is the Simon's. Let's open like this. So pretty, 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 chic. Like, oh my god, people know me so well. Like, I really love it. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas, Baba.
So this one, oh, en plus, when I see this, can you see that? Vivienne Westwood. Oh my god, I never have a Vivienne Westwood, and when I have this one, I'm like, oh my god, it's so pretty, pretty. I gotta show you. This one is a little bit big. I can show you on the camera. Oh, but the color is gorgeous. It's a cap. A cap, guys. I looking for a cap. It's been like 2 years. I looking all around for looking for a cap. Nothing have a cap. Oh, they have a, no, we don't have a cap. Oh, they make cap. I'm like, bitch, bye. And then Vivienne Westwood, look, with, I feel like Le Chaperon Rouge. Like, what is the Chaperon Rouge?
Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, thank you. A little red.
Riding Hood.
Little red.
Riding Hood.
Oh my god. Okay, Le Chaperon Rouge, bitches. Le Chaperon Rouge. Translate and Google. You know what I mean? So this one is a beautiful cap. Oh my god. They still have the price? No. Okay. And they say like Eco Wool Melton. Oh. They don't play about that. Wow. Like, don't worry, I'm gonna post on Instagram like with my beautiful cap. And this color is like a navy blue, but I totally wanted that. Like, so pretty, pretty, pretty. They have like pocket inside. They all Vivian Westwood, and it's my first Vivian Westwood. Excellent. So that's my all Christmas present for 2018. Did you like it? I wanna know what you got it for this Christmas. Just leave me down below a comment, and then I'm gonna watch your video, or just say it like, I got this, I got that. I was so happy. I'm curious to have that. I like video like that because make me like a little bit curious about what the people got. And happy New Year and happy Christmas to everyone. I tell you, health, success, and love is the more powerful for this human. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome, and keep in mind, we are the stars of our lives. Bye guys.